January sales report and best-selling items. For the month of January, I had 138 sales across all stores. This is a 17% decrease from the 166 sales I had in December. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie, 77. Weddings by Rhoadie, 27. Homeschool Me, 15. Rhoadie's Kitchen, 12. Alma Africa, 3. Bible Verses and Gifts, 4. Earrings by Rhoadie, 0. Best-selling items. My Hearts for Your Husband Valentine's Day card was my best-selling item for January. In second place was my Valentine Heart greeting card. In third place was my Best Grandpa Ever t-shirt. The rest of my sales consisted of other Valentine's cards, various greeting cards, leggings, bath towel sets, etc. Customer demographics. 84% came from the U.S. and 16% internationally. 82% of my customers were women, 15% men, and 3% unknown. For this month, I had 27 total states, and my top sales came from California, 15%, New York, 10%, Illinois, 7%, New Jersey, 7%, and Florida, 6%. And these are my international sales. 8 came from Canada, 5 Australia, 4 Germany, 2 New Zealand, 2 the United Kingdom, and 1 from the Netherlands. Honorable mentions. I made this birthday card at the end of December, and I made my first sale a few weeks later. Referrals. I had one referral for January, this Tweety Bird sticker. Takeaways. Illinois is the newest state added to my top sales for the United States. So that was very interesting. I received a lot of sales from Illinois, Valentine's Day sales. So I will look into that more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.